Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord C2, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Google application. Then click on the right upper corner and tap into the settings. Now just click to the Google Assistant and scroll here all the way down to the general options. After that, you'll see here the Google Assistant switcher, and just to turn off Google Assistant, you should click here once on the switcher and then confirm your action by click again to turn off. And that's it. By this way, we can turn off the Google Assistant on our device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.